What's going on, fellow fixers? I'm Jeremy and I like to fix stuff, and today we're talking about this camper shell. Now if you missed the last video, I told you how I got this camper shell, topper, cap, whatever you want to call it, for my truck. And obviously I buy used, I always buy used, and on that video I wired it up and got the lights all working. Well, today we're going to be swapping out the locks. If you've ever bought one of these, you know nobody ever has the keys for it. I tried to pull apart this lock to see if I could rekey it, and it just was too much of a hassle. A whole new lock kit was only like 25 bucks on Amazon, so I ordered it, and we're going to go ahead and swap it out. All right, so these are pretty much standard on every single topper, at least the ones that I've seen, and it's really simple the way that it works. You basically have to take this thing off, take out these two screws, and the whole thing will come apart, and then I can put the new one on. So let's get to it. This one's got just a simple flathead screw. You loosen it up. This piece comes off. Then it's just two Phillips head. And just like that, there's a little plastic piece on the back that comes off, and then this whole mechanism comes off. Now, I'll show you here. It's pretty standard setup. Just one big hole and then two small ones. And this is the new mechanism, and it's just gonna go right inside there. Put a new plate on it, a new bar. All right, so the biggest thing with these is getting this piece on at the right distance, because you obviously want it to catch right here. And you don't want people to be able to pull out on it very much. Just enough to sort of hold it in place so that I can get the depth of it right. Take a little bit deeper than that. Now I'll go ahead and tighten it up. Now to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm just going to tighten it up lightly, hold it in place. Get the depth right. All right, just like that, I got a lock and cap. I will admit I like the look of the old ones better, but I could not find this style anywhere. These are easy to find on Amazon, and so I said forget it. I could probably have taken this to a locksmith and he may have been able to rekey it. I may even have been able to do a Google search for this number right here, K145, and found the key for this. And as always, I'm going to put links in the description below so you can go check it out and see the parts that I got for this fix. Thanks so much for watching this video. Like it if you do, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't seen the video on where I rewired this camper shell to make the dome light work and the rear tail light work, then go check that out. I'll link that over here. And as always, get out there and fix something. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.